Good morning, Mrs. LaBelle's class. It's me, Mr. Mitchell, and today we're going to be learning about science. So not only am I on your computer monitor talking to you right now, I'm also standing right next to you. And if you look over at me, I'll wave to you. Did I wave? I'm sure I did because that's my plan. So today our lesson is going to be about the Earth. We're going to learn about the Earth. And specifically, we're going to learn about the Earth. Why is it so special? What are the properties that allow it to support life? The Earth is the only planet in our solar system that supports life. So the big question is, why does the Earth support life? And that's what we're going to learn about today. We're going to go to Epic Books, and we're going to select a book called Earth, and we're going to read that book. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to write these instructions are written on the board, but I'm just going to review them with you anyway. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Epic Books website, which is getepic.com, as you can see right there, getepic.com. Then we're going to enter in our class code, and again, this is written on the wipe erase board, and the class code is TET 096. TET 096. Then after that, we're going to go, if you look on the upper right, is a heart, and it says My Library under it. So we're going to go to Heart, My Library, and when you click on that, you'll see there's only one book listed, and it's called Earth. So you'll click on that book to select it, and then you can just page along at the bottom if you'd like to read it by yourself. But it is also a read-along book. So it will read it out loud to you. If you hit the play button, it'll read it out loud, and you can read along with it. So doing that, we'll get to learn about the Earth, and at the end of the book, there is a very short quiz, 8 questions, that'll show us how much you learned. And then after that, we're going to do a hands-on activity. So the final thing will be a hands-on activity. You'll get to draw in color the Earth and what you've learned about it, the water, the land, and everything else you learned about it. So I'm looking forward to a fun science lesson. And after we turn off this video, I'll tell you where to go to your desk and to get a Chromebook so you can read along. And don't forget, all the instructions are also written on the board right behind me. Thank you very much.